In global commodities news, oil prices edged higher on Wednesday after U.S. crude stockpiles fell and investors looked to the next steps in Ukraine peace talks. Brent crude rose 71 cents to $66.50 a barrel, while U.S. WTI gained 84 cents to $63.19. This comes after a dip on Tuesday as hopes for a peace deal briefly lifted sentiment, though President Trump admitted a deal may not be near. Now, despite the uptick, analysts see a bearish outlook with oversupply expected in 2025. Ariang Energy's Sonali Siwenjoba shares more on the potential local impact.
Good evening. So, the US President Donald Trump conceded that Russian President Vladimir Putin might not want to make a deal after their talks in Alaska, despite Trump's offer made on Tuesday this week to provide air support as part of a deal to end Russia's war in Ukraine, and attempts to arranging a meeting between Putin and Ukrainian President Zelensky in a trilateral summit between the three presidents, of which Putin is yet to agree to. So, the likelihood of a quick resolution to the conflict with Russia now seems unlikely, with sanctions on Russian crude remaining in place for now. I would also like to add that there has been a decline in US stockpiles, likely due to the flooding affecting the BP refinery in Indiana after a severe thunderstorm on Tuesday. How this has affected global oil and gas prices is that it seems oil prices are thrown down one day following a rebound the next day. For instance, this week, Brent crude futures have risen again by 0.7 a barrel. Looking to the South African market, mid-month data from the Central Energy Fund shows good news for motorists in South Africa. Both petrol and diesel are on track for a cut in September. This is largely due to the rand trading slightly stronger against the US dollar. However, within just 2 weeks to go until the end of the month, we will keep an eye on global oil prices, which is keeping recoveries in our pricing under pressure, with the final fuel adjustments coming in effect on Wednesday, the 2nd of September. Thank you.